Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two-factor authentication is active and that you have a trusted device or phone number available. Enter your Apple ID and password, then request a verification code via text, call, or from a trusted device. Once requested, watch the trusted device or SMS carefully. Codes expire quickly, so act immediately. If you control multiple trusted devices, pick the quickest path. Make sure to note which delivery method you chose to avoid confusion in the next step. You now receive a 6-digit code. Enter it exactly into the sign-in prompt. If the code was on a trusted device, open the notification and copy carefully, then paste without leading or trailing spaces. Once entered, the system will verify device trust and may prompt to save the device or generate an app-specific password. Choose Remember only on private devices. If verification fails, request a new code and wait a full minute before retrying, because old codes become invalid as time passes. You finish by confirming successful sign-in and checking Apple ID devices to ensure the device is registered. If you cannot get a code because trusted devices or numbers are unavailable, start account recovery and follow Apple's steps. Expect a delay. If problems occur, make sure device time and time zone are accurate since codes are time-based. Check carrier SMS blocking, and request a fresh code. If still stuck, use recovery contact options and monitor the recovery status closely until access is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.